Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you what to do if your iPhone with an active T-Mobile eSIM is lost and how to activate that same eSIM on your new device. If you've lost your iPhone that had your T-Mobile eSIM, your line might seem gone. No signal, no service, no way to receive calls or texts. Don't worry, it's recoverable. I'll show you how to activate your T-Mobile eSIM again safely on a new iPhone and get your number back. Now let's go step by step. Step 1, secure your lost iPhone. Before activating the eSIM elsewhere, open another device or computer and go to icloud.com/find. Mark your lost iPhone as lost or erase this device to protect your data. This stops others from using your eSIM if they find the phone. Step 2, contact T-Mobile support at 611 from another T-Mobile line or 1-800-937-8997. Tell them you lost your phone and need your eSIM reissued. They'll deactivate the old eSIM tied to your lost phone for security reasons. Once that's done, they'll send a new QR code or activation link to your email. Step 3, get a new iPhone ready. Turn on your new iPhone and connect it to Wi-Fi. Make sure it's unlocked or compatible with T-Mobile. Go to Settings, then Cellular, then Add eSIM or Set up Cellular. Use your iPhone camera to scan the new QR code T-Mobile sent you. If you got a digital link, tap it directly to begin the eSIM activation process. Wait a few minutes, your T-Mobile line should show up automatically. Once it's active, you'll see T-Mobile appear in your signal bar. Try making a quick test call or sending a text to confirm service is restored. If you still have no signal, restart your iPhone. That usually completes the eSIM setup. And that's it. Your T-Mobile eSIM should now be active on your new iPhone and your number restored. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick mobile help.